Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Explorer and today we are at Ramadan nights, which is located in the Bugsha market of in Shamiya area of Kuwait. This event is called as the Ramadan night. It's similar to street food festival, but it's in the month of Ramadan. So let's roll in tune and be with me. So let's go. Nice place. I mean, no one's here right now just because we are at the exact perfect time. So yes, it's like no crowd, no one, and like this is the end of the day. I mean, the last day of this event. It was for like 5 to 4 days, and let's explore it. Let's go. Oh, just look at that lightning. As you see this money box right here, I won this prize in the Kuwait Motor Town NBK event. It's similar, but this is like 10x size larger than the. It's just a model of here, and it's like so tall. It's a beautiful fountain right here. It's temporary like closed just because of the event, but it's like so nice. And let's roll into.
Hello YouTube fam, how are you doing, man? It's nice to see this guy again. An amazing guy. He's a good guy. Make sure to subscribe and press a notification button and leave comments on his YouTube videos. They're dope, man.
And
he never disappoints.
helped me last time get water, right?
Yeah, I remember him. He's everywhere. He's doing a good job. Please make sure you comment and subscribe on his videos. They're dope, man. Peace.
Thank you. We have a mobile ATM of NBK right here. If you're in a lack of cash, you can just withdraw right here. Oh, like, I mean, it's like mostly in every event, and I'm glad that it's here too. So it's helpful. Let's go. So right now we have more food trucks here of fast food. First one we have here is Burger Force. And on the next one we have Infinity Burger, and on the third we have the Rock House Slider over here. I mean, it's a good choice. The options are good. It's really helpful. Ta-da! Rock House Slider RHS. Oh. So right now what all we explored is just the quarter part of it. There's like so much more remaining, and I want you guys to subscribe and like and support me, and let's go. I want to like explore it all. It's like so interesting, so be with me and let's go. Gosh, there are like so many advertisements, boards, flags, and like so many like advertisements of NBK all over here, like one here, two there, three, four, everywhere it's NBK. After all, the event holder is NBK. NBK prizes are also everywhere. Nice and shiny bakur stand with some lighting on it. This is a new area, like it's a circle of shops around here. There's like so many areas same like this in this park. We have a sunglasses shop inside this Samba bus, which is currently unique. Like it's so nice. By the way, this one's so attractive and unique. Like look at the frame, so good. We have like more. I think this is for the ladies also. And on the other side, the best part comes here. As you see, this Samba bus is right here. Welcome here. You even see a mini Samba bus inside of it, which is like so attractive. Really classic camping one from Volkswagen. Fresh Leggies waffles. Ta-da! Hi. Hi. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm good. Yeah, I'm just vlogging around. We have a big stage of NBK over there. Virgin mobiles, it's like this is mostly found in London places. It doesn't come out. It's like just for like, hello mom, let's go. We saw this shop on the last event of Street Food Festival, and they really helped me getting some water also. So I support them. If you do support me, hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit it. We have like so many shops over here. No chewing allowed. You just melt in your mouth. Oh, that's a nice slogan. Some of the shops are closed and some of them are opening. They're getting this name ready. IT. What is this name? Biana or Buna? I mean, is it Y or U? So the event is officially over now, and like everyone is leaving. It's already like closing up. Everything's and this is a place to play NBK games over here. It's not still open yet. I don't know. I mean, it's closed now. I mean, it was open. I wish it was open still now. I can like take this prize that they're still remaining. And I'm ending the video right here now. Lights are closing, stores are like packing up their stuff. And see you in the next video. So subscribe, like, and as always, support.